Tina Clayton crossed the finish line in a new championship and national under-20 record of 10.95 seconds to strike gold, while her teammate Serena Cole came in second with 11.14 seconds to complete a Jamaican quinella. Please like, subscribe, share our channel and turn on the notification bell for our future Caribbean sports videos. The women's 100 meters at the World Under-20 Championships has always been a dominant event for the Caribbean, with the likes of Jamaicans Nicole Mitchell, Veronica Campbell, and Brianna Williams taking that title, along with Bahamian Anthonique Strachan, who won the title in 2012. Over the years, it has become an event in which most Caribbean fans would expect athletes to win medals. In recent times, Jamaica has been the most dominant sprint nation in the Caribbean, if not the world, especially with the women, with Jamaicans currently having most of the world's 100 meters titles, including the World, Olympic, Pan American, Commonwealth, CAC, and World Under-20 titles. The women's 100 meters at the World Under-20 Championship was building up to be a fantastic show, with the likes of the reigning champion Jamaica's Tina Clayton and her teammate Serena Cole, along with Shanti Jackson of the United States. Tina Clayton, having run a national junior record of 10.96 seconds to win the Jamaican Junior Championship title, was the sure favorite to retain her title. However, Serena Cole came in as the underdog, having run comfortably in the rounds to take her place in the final. Shanti Jackson was also under a bit of pressure to continue a family legacy, as her father, former 400 meters hurdles world champion, Bershawn "Batman" Jackson, took a bronze medal in Kingston, Jamaica at the 2002 edition of these championships. The stage was set for the final, with fans glued to their screens and at the edge of their seats to see if the race would have been under the 11 seconds barrier. The race was off to a fast start with Shanti Jackson leading, but Tina Clayton bided her time nicely as she maintained her form to the finish line. Clayton crossed the finish line in a new championship and national under-20 record of 10.95 seconds, with her teammate Serena Cole in second with 11.14 seconds to complete a Jamaican quinella. Shanti Jackson continued her family legacy by getting bronze in 11.15 seconds as she tied with the Netherlands' Ketia Sedo. The women's 100 meters continues to be a Caribbean event as athletes continue to dominate the track at all levels of the sport. The Caribbean has indeed produced most of the world's top female sprinters. So we can keep you up to date with all the latest news and reviews in track and field. Please like, subscribe, share our channel and turn on the notification bell for our next video. This is J-irie Caribbean. Thanks for watching.